Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 30 of the coolest, most useful, and fun things you can buy right now on Amazon. From smart gadgets to clever kitchen tools, this list has it all. Let's jump right in. First, Ember temperature control. Smart mug. Ever sip your coffee only to find it's gone cold? The Ember Smart Mug fixes that. It keeps your drink at your preferred temperature for up to 80 minutes. You can control the exact heat via your smartphone. It's perfect for slow sippers and home office workers alike. 2. Anchor Nebula Capsule Mini Projector. This compact gadget looks like a soda can, but it's a full-featured projector. With built-in speakers and streaming apps, the Nebula capsule transforms any blank wall into a mini movie theater. Perfect for movie nights, camping, or small space living. 3. Rocketbook Smart Reusable Notebook. The Rocketbook is a paper notebook with a digital twist. Write on its special pages, then scan your notes to the cloud with an app. When you're done, wipe it clean with a damp cloth and reuse it. Great for students, professionals, and anyone who takes a lot of notes. 4. Philips Wake Up Light Alarm Clock. Waking up is hard, but this alarm makes it gentle. It mimics a natural sunrise, gradually filling your room with warm light. It helps regulate your body clock, especially in the darker months, so you wake up feeling more refreshed and less groggy. 5. iRobot Roomba i7 Plus Robot Vacuum. Vacuuming is now one less chore to worry about. The Roomba i7 Plus not only cleans your floors, but also empties itself into a base after every job. It maps your rooms intelligently and handles pet hair, crumbs, and dust like a pro. Set it and forget it. 6. AeroGarden Indoor Herb Garden. Ever wanted to grow fresh basil or mint at home without dealing with soil or sunlight worries? The AeroGarden is a hydroponic indoor system that makes growing herbs and small vegetables super easy. It's self-watering with built-in grow lights and reminders. 7. Tile Pro Bluetooth Tracker. Say goodbye to frantic key hunts. The Tile Pro is a powerful Bluetooth tracker that you can attach to keys, wallets, bags, anything. Use your phone to locate it or double press the tile to make your phone ring, even on silent mode. 8. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. This Instant Pot replaces 7 kitchen appliances in one. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and warmer. Ideal for busy people or those who want to make quick, healthy meals at home. 9. Oculus Quest 2 VR Headset. Step into virtual reality with the Oculus Quest 2. This all-in-one headset brings immersive gaming, virtual fitness, and exploration right into your living room. With no PC or console required, it's one of the most accessible VR systems available today. 10th Ember Wave Temperature Control Bracelet. Too hot? Too cold? With the Ember Wave, you're in control. This bracelet uses thermal sensations to help your body feel more comfortable, giving instant warm or cool relief at the press of a button. Great for travel, outdoor events, or office settings. 11. Furbo Dog Camera. Furbo is the ultimate pet cam. It lets you check in on your dog, talk to them, and even toss them treats, all from your phone. With motion alerts and barking notifications, it's peace of mind for any pet parent. 12th, Lark Self-Cleaning Water Bottle. Tired of smelly bottles? The Lark bottle uses UVC LED light to kill 99.99% of germs and bacteria inside the bottle in your water. Just press a button and it self-cleans every 2 hours. It's sleek, safe, and eco-friendly. 13. Theragun Mini Massage. Gun sore muscles? The Theragun Mini is a compact, powerful percussion massager that helps with recovery, tension, and pain relief. It fits in your bag, charges quickly, and offers quiet, pro-level performance on the go. 14. Eufy Smart Scale. See one track more than just your weight. The Eufy Smart Scale measures 12 body metrics like BMI, body fat, and muscle mass, syncing everything to your fitness app. It's sleek, accurate, and super easy to use daily. 15. Click and Grow Smart Garden. Bring your garden indoors with the Click and Grow. Just pop in a plant pod, fill the water tank, and let it grow. The built-in lights and nutrients mean no mess and no guesswork. Fresh herbs and greens all year long. 16. Nanoleaf Rhythm Edition Smart Lights. Add futuristic flair to any room with Nanoleaf panels. They light up in colors, respond to music, and can be controlled via app or voice assistant. It's lighting that's fun, interactive, and totally customizable. 17th. RAV Power Portable Charger, 20,000 milliamp hours. Keep your devices powered all day with this high-capacity power bank. It can charge most phones up to 5 times and has fast charging support for multiple devices at once. Perfect for travelers and heavy phone users. 18. Ember Smart Travel Mug. Take the Ember magic on the road. This smart travel mug keeps your coffee or tea at your ideal temperature for up to 3 hours, or all day on the charging coaster. Say goodbye to cold sips and reheats forever. 19. Logitech MX Master. 3 wireless mouse, one of the best productivity tools. This mouse is ergonomic, smooth, and ultra-precise. It works across devices, has programmable buttons, and even scrolls side to side. Perfect for designers, coders, and multitaskers. 20. August Smart Lock. Pro lock and unlock your door from anywhere with this smart lock. It fits over your existing deadbolt and works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. It also keeps track of who comes and goes. Great for families or rentals. 21st, DJI Osmo Mobile 3 Gimbal. Say goodbye to shaky smartphone videos. This foldable gimbal stabilizer helps you record buttery smooth video and includes smart tracking, panorama, and time-lapse modes. Great for content creators and vloggers. 22. Philips Hue Smart Light Starter Kit. Transform your lighting with Hue Smart Bulbs. Change the color and brightness with your phone or voice, and set routines to wake up or wind down. This kit is a perfect starter for smart home lighting. 23rd. Kindle Paperwhite. For book lovers, the Kindle Paperwhite is a dream. With a crisp, glare-free screen, waterproof design, and weeks-long battery life, it's the ultimate digital reading experience, even in bright sunlight or a bubble bath. 24th. Innova Precision Cooker Sous Vide. Cook like a pro at home with the Innova Sous Vide. It heats water to the exact right temperature for your food and holds it steady, ensuring juicy meats and perfect textures every time. Ideal for steak lovers and home chefs. 25th. Wyze Cam V3 Security Camera. Affordable, reliable, and full-featured, the Wyze Cam V3 has color night vision, motion detection, and two-way audio. Whether you use it inside or outside, it's one of the best budget security cameras around. 26. Ember Smart Mug 2. An upgraded classic, this mug offers longer battery life and better temperature precision. It's sleek, durable, and still controlled by your phone. A perfect gift for coffee lovers who want their brew just right. 27. Fitbit Charge 5 Fitness Tracker. Track your steps, heart rate, sleep, stress levels, and more with the Charge 5. It has built-in GPS, a bright color screen, and tools to help you manage your health, all from your wrist. 28th. Sony WH-1000X-M4 Noise-Canceling Headphones. These headphones are legendary for a reason. With world-class noise cancellation, crystal clear audio, and 30-hour battery life, they're perfect for travelers, commuters, or anyone needing quiet focus time. 29th. GoPro Hero 9. Black capture your adventures in stunning 5K video with the GoPro Hero 9. It's waterproof, rugged, and packed with features like front and back screens, horizon leveling, and live streaming. The ultimate action cam. 30. Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag. Lost keys, bag, or even your pet. Attach a Galaxy Smart Tag and track it with your phone. It uses Bluetooth and ultra-wideband tech to pinpoint your items, even inside your home. That wraps up our list of the 30 coolest things you can buy on Amazon. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next gadget roundup. Until next time, happy exploring.